So I have a HP CM1415 Laserjet here, and it seems like it has a bad wireless card. Anytime you set up the Wi-Fi on it, it goes into this loop where it tries to start up and then you get a white screen and it does it again. So I'm going to show you how to reset the printer back to factory defaults. This is a way of getting around this problem. And then I'm just going to settle for using Ethernet on this printer because I would prefer not to replace it. So let me adjust this camera a little bit. I'm going to reach back on the left-hand side and turn the printer off. And then I'm going to press right on the left middle of the screen and turn it back on. You're going to keep holding on to this place until you see it's a permanent storage in it. It's going to take a few seconds. Once you see that message, you can release. So there you see it. We can release. Now it's going to stay here for a kind of long time, and you're going to think that it's maybe frozen in this state, but the reality is that it just takes a while and you're doing okay. I'm not sure what happened to the Wi-Fi on this printer. It functioned totally fine for a long time. I've probably had it 5 years, and yeah, then one evening it just started power cycling every time on startup. So here we go. It's now into the second part where it actually initializes that permanent storage. This is also going to take a while. But it is not frozen. Again, this is the Laserjet Pro CM1415fnw Color multifunction printer. Now it's restarting. After it restarts, it'll finish the initialization of permanent storage, and then it'll ask us to choose the language and region of the printer, and then it'll restart one last time. Back to that initializing permanent storage step. Now it's actually finally starting up. Now I don't have genuine HP supply installed, but that's okay. I'll just take a couple seconds longer. So we're going to select English, confirm, USA, confirm. It's going to restart one more time. It's kind of amazing that it takes about 5 minutes to do the whole process, but that's what it takes. And there you go. It is all reset to factory defaults. Hope this is helpful. Thanks.